favor for her. I come and left me pitney and do it. She used me and then when she come home, she class. She start class.
Didn't I offer to pay you and you say you don't want no pay?
No, you never. I swear to God on my 5 children life. God hate me. God hate me if this girl offered to pay me. You have never asked me that.
I mean, don't call my money.
All right, then all you got to offer somebody, I hear somebody a ball say them in a money worries. Didn't I tell you that nothing ain't going on for me?
Bueno.
See it there? You see it? That's how she acts when the truth liquor. How me tell you? How me gonna turn down the money when time down them time? They start lying, bro. You never ask me for no money. You beg me to come keep the baby because you say the girl will normally keep your baby is not keeping it. She not answer your phone. You get me? That you say she not answering her phone. That is what you say.
You have her up because she never pay you then.
No, I have her up because she make it coming like say me do her something when it's a favor me go do her.
You never do me a favor, pussy. Me ask you, say you know what.
Gee, I'm here telling you guys, me swear from my life. This girl never asked me to pay.
Alright, this not work. It not work because it's an East.
When she done,
Jesus Christ. Ivan, you been a tell lie from ages. You tell her what is these petty things about you why you have to lie? If me I tell you say nothing now go on for me, I been come from my life and I say people not to go on for me. Oh, you are gonna offer me money and me turn it down. What? Ivan, stop lying, bro. You never offer. I think you're gonna use a discretion. Alright, me not see you do that, me see you ask Kinji. Didn't I spend my money in the supermarket when you were picking up stuff? Did you pay me that money back?
But
I bet you did. You have to go dumb at all times, bro. And you act as if you have money.
Because
you never have no money, bro.
Have no reasonability, girl.
What kind of no reasonability when you're hearing me clear?
Have no reasonability.
Yeah. Oh, if it makes sense sometimes, everything she requested. Make sure I go slow. Let me play this.
She's already full of blood clot number, so after this number you may call you upon today. No, sir.
So that y'all know that it's the same number. I never just store somebody's number. All right, lol. Add it too. Tell her it's the blood that they always run with the wrong news.
Get to the point.
Okay, bitch, you don't ask for a WhatsApp? All right, then, let me read it.
Anyways, Blinga, let me talk how it go. I texted this lady and I was like, hey.
Yeah.
Which part you ask me? You're too light, bro.
Let me hear fear, Virgin.
Let me play a voice note them. You just requested for me to go. What's up?
This, me don't know why the court case them now work out, but this now work.
Listen, guys, listen. You listen good now?
I'm going to take off now. Steph, I got deal with you. So when time, just link Steph, come and I think I can get here, maybe can text me.
Bling you one-sided. Alright.
So listen, Steph is the lady that bought Ivan's ticket. Me just go through, because she say she asked the people, so me I go through from tab so to see everything.
Not for free.
I said I never want my bag to go there, no car.
Not for free.
How long to come on? Look how long I stand up for the stand now, I can't get my bag.
We are playing, I make no sense. Girl,
where you want?
You add me back.
You ask, oh, me don't want
this no sense, I can't do that.
So where you want? Where you ask? She asked WhatsApp. After me walk out, the woman shall blood God. The woman asked WhatsApp, now me I go through the message them and share ball out.
It makes sense.
This is gonna make sense. Now you requested a WhatsApp search.
Start now. The girl start talk so the people them can go hear me on the live. That's you know.
So you ask your WhatsApp and say all the people are gonna get to this. What you do to me? You mix up my brains out.
Yeah, me did even have my baby ice with me and them something and she kicked me off of the fucking airline. Them the time that she's already in the plane and gone. So when me get kicked off of the airline, me that they try to sort out my thing. When we reach now Atlanta, like the plane just land, I realize I see all of these missed calls from Cheese. And remember when I sent Cheese the $20, it was before me even reach at the airport. When she's gone a Fair Airlines and me gone on my airline and she away for a Fair flight and me away for a Fair flight, that's when she asked me for the money and that's when I send her the $20. And then that's when I get the last message from her says safe flight. So that's the last time now when she get up in a fair feeling because I send her the $20. So when she fly gone now, me have problem with the airline. So me couldn't get to text her or call her or discuss anything because me I worry about my airline when we just get kicked off of the plane. When we reach Atlanta now and the plane land, But see the missed call them like she did a call me or something. So when me try to return the call, that's when me realized I was blocked. At the time then now, I go on my Instagram, my TikTok, to try to text her and I can't find her page. I mean, I say, I can't block Cheese, block me. So that's when me post on my Instagram and say, guys, can anybody tell me if them can see Cheese page? And I so come, everybody start texting me and say, yeah, me see her page. And I so come, me know so she block me. And then I go on Ice page and I send her a message and I say, girl, your heart must be blocked if you did have something. You could have come talk to me, you never have to block me or whatever.
That's what I'm saying. So in that situation, to me, a communication is the problem. And I just got me to say.
That's why your heart black and you don't have no friend because you never have to block me. You could have did talk to me about anything where you got you never have to block me and me have to post and find out you block me. And when I send her that message, she tell me about my mama and she class me and she diss me and she block me.
This is a communication problem. So that's what it is.
Understanding, I say, let me tell you something. Nothing can erase what she do. No matter what happened, Blinga, I've never done anything bad to her on the trip. You understand what I say? I never done nothing bad to her, like I never embarrassed her, I never classed her, me and her never catch up in an argument. The only thing